What's going on? Hope you're all well. Welcome to another video. This one is a product review. So FJ Dynamics have kindly sent me their latest offering, which is a pocket digital refractometer. It's the Pro version, so they do the Air, the Pro and the Ultimate, I think it's called. So before we get too far into the details of this, let's unbox it and see what we got. Okay, so trust you can see this properly. So let's use the trusty blade and see what we have in the box. It's a very smart iPhone type packaging and box, in all fairness. Yeah, definitely looks decent. Wow, that is tiny. Let's keep the destructions to one side for a moment. That looks very smart indeed. Definitely is pocket sized. And very light too. Okay, what else is in the box? So we have the destructions, the refractometer itself. We have USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, and some pipettes. Cool. Not the knife, obviously. Okay. Let's see if there's any charge in this to begin with. You know how we do it on this channel. There's no messing, straight into it. Then we'll look at the instructions. There we have it, comes on, it's fully charged. 16.9 degrees, it's a bit chilly here this morning. Measured in bricks, not connected yet. Might as well have a look at the instructions. Quick startup guide. A cleaning cloth, product certification and warranty card. Quick setup guide. Okay, I'm going to have a quick read of this and come back when we've got some stuff to do. Okay, so what I have here is some vapor distilled water that you can buy in the shops here in the UK. It's actually with added electrolytes and stuff like that, but it's better than tap water to use in terms of purity. Instructions say to press the on button, a short press, and then cover the lens. Long press after a short press until entering calibration mode. Ooh, it's flashing green. So it says zeroing, zero complete, and there we have it. So it's calibrated. That was very quick. So I'll use a cleaning cloth to dry. Okay. So now this is calibrated and cleaned, we better get some wort on the go. So whilst we have the smallest amount of wort just mashing in for about half an hour just to get a little bit of those enzymes out of the grains, it's literally in the saucepan in the house. It's not worth filming, I promise you. I thought we would grab the app for this and see how the app works. So I've got an iPhone and I will search for FJ Dynamics, see if anything comes up. No. Right, where is the app information? Okay, my bad. Actually says there, DI fluid. I didn't spot that, gotta be honest. Let's download the app. Wonder how this is going to connect to it. DI fluid would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, turn on the device. Let's see if this works. And it connecting. it's connected straight away. Wowzers. No pairing or faffing or nothing. That is brilliant. And on the app you have loads of different usages. Not entirely sure what you do it with fruits and vegetables. In my humble home brewing experience, there we have brewing, showing as the pint of beer. It's even got original and final gravity as well. Does that mean this can do final gravity? I think it does. I think this can do final gravity and compensate for the alcohol. So far so good with the app. So we'll just wait for that little bit of wort to finish mashing, and we can take it for a spin. So the more traditional methods of measuring sugar content in liquid is obviously your hydrometer, which obviously need quite a bit of liquid to fill your trial jar, but professional breweries use these because they're properly calibrated and they go from a lot more accurate scales than the homebrewer versions. And then you have a standard refractometer where you look through the lens, light deflects through the liquid that you put on the top here, you close the lid and you look through it like a pirate, and then you have your bricks on one side and your SG on the other side. So I'm hoping that through the app it will do that conversion for me, because I don't use bricks. I haven't used bricks in the past. Not saying I won't, but it's just what you're used to, isn't it? Yeah, if this is as good as it is so far in actual use, I think I'm converted. So we now finally have what does resemble wort of such on my left hand side there. Yes, I could have used a bit of sugar in water and what have you, but I wanted to see how this would actually work with some form of wort. Now what I can't test, and it's very important to stress this, I can't test the accuracy of this in comparison to my other equipment, such as my normal refractometer and a dipper thing, you know, a hydrometer, because neither of these are calibrated in a lab. I don't run or own a lab, so I can't really comment on the accuracy of it. Only the function of it, to be fair. Let's put you back up there so you can have a better view of what's going on. We'll fire up the app as well and get this working through the app. They do stress on their website about the accuracy as well, that it's plus or minus 0.1 of a bricks, which is pretty accurate. Okay, so quick tidy up over here. Get rid of all the rubbish we don't want. See you later. Still water in that. Let's open up the app and turn on the device. So it's connected straight away. Okay, so we have everything set up. I've just left it on this bricks setup for now and hit measure just to see what it comes up with. I've got my makeshift wort, and then we can hit measure. It's very quick. So that's 14.3% bricks, and I think if I take this across to brewing, I'll measure again. So it's 14.13 Plato, and down here if I read what that is, so 14.13, it's brought it through into the calculator as such, and it's actually got my original gravity there as 1.057. so it does work in bricks, Plato and SG, which is perfect through this app. Absolutely spot on, and it's easy enough to clean. It is waterproof to IP67, so it's literally a case of rinsing it and then giving it a dry with the cloth provided. Spot on. And just in the interest of the cynics out there, we have 14.1 there, and again on an uncalibrated piece of equipment that I'm currently using, that looks to be about 15 bricks on the left hand side there, if that focuses. So I'm sure you would agree there's nothing much not to like about this little pocket sized refractometer. It's app enabled, does it in various units, and it's waterproof, drop resistant, which I'm not going to try out. So as you can tell, I'm very impressed with this little gadget. I think it's going to be great to have, and I'm looking forward to the next brew day where I can actually use it properly. I'll be taking plenty of measurements throughout, taking plenty of notes, just to see how I do get on with it. So in terms of money, this FJD Pro ATC refractometer is currently showing 86 Great British pounds on their website, which is fjdretail.com. You've got to add on your taxes onto that. It is shipped from China, or this one was shipped from China, and that makes it £107. Free delivery to the UK, 30-day money back guarantee, 12 months warranty, and if you use the code below, FID-Griffo10, you can get 10% off that as well. So again, a big thank you to FJ Dynamics for sending this out to me for to carry out a review. So I'll leave the links to all of the information in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments in relation to this, or anything else you've seen in this video for that matter, chuck them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, go and check them out and let me know what you think. Iechyd. Right, where am I not going to lose this? Here.